Hello, this is Leslie from Pullworks. I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on how to navigate around Netsuite. As you can see, I'm in the sandbox area of Netsuite. That's the testing and playing area in Netsuite, much like your test database in Eversys. On the left, you'll see the recent records. This is the little clock that allows you to see things that you've done in the recent history of NetSuite, and you'll be able to jump between various tasks as you like. The little star gives you your favorites, and you can set up your favorites on any task that you want to set up. The little house is your dashboard icon, brings you back to the dashboard, this main dashboard, from wherever you are. You can also set preferences from here as well. I'll come back to preferences in a minute. Then, depending on your roles, you will have various menu names up here that you can then go into and use. Up at the top here, you'll see the search bar, and your search bar allows you to search for whatever you like: a transaction number, a customer, an address, whatever you want. Phone number, you can type anything up here, and that will give you your list. You'll see that I've clicked on it, so it's come up with a board showing the list of where Leslie Berry has been identified, either as a customer or as an employee. I can either go back using my back key, or I can use my dashboard key to come back to the dashboard. This little icon on the right here is your shortcuts menu. This can also be personalized to suit yourself. So you can have your common tasks set up as shortcuts, and you can use this from whatever menu or whatever dashboard you're in. This is the help option. If I click help, it brings up the NetSuite Help Center, and I can navigate my way around NetSuite Help Center using a search bar up at the top here. If I go back to NetSuite, you'll see I have my roles on the right-hand side here, my name and my roles. I have a variety of roles. You probably won't have as many as I have. You can also log out from that section. Here you can view your date settings for your portlets. These are your portlets. Each one of these little sections is a portlet. It allows you to set your dates for your portlets so that you can change your date ranges if you want to see just this month or just this year or just this week or whatever you want to do. You can also personalize your portlets, and you can change the layout of your portlets. Each portlet can be set. I haven't done too much about setting my portlets at the moment, but you can see I have a calendar and various other things. If I scroll down, you can see I have settings, and I can personalize my dashboard, set my preferences. I can change my email, my password, or my security questions. That's the good thing about NetSuite. If you forget your password, you just click on Forgotten My Password, and it asks you some security questions and allows you to reset your own password as you like. I'm just going to go back to the settings, or rather the set preferences. Let's go and set some preferences, and because I'm in Sandbox, I would need to change, or I suggest you change your theme color so that you know that you are in Sandbox, so that you don't make the mistake of changing something in production when you would rather be changing it or testing something in Sandbox. I prefer to change my Sandbox to a green or a pink or an orange or something like that, so it's clear when I'm in Sandbox that I'm in that particular area. Something I'd like to draw your attention to as well is the help options in NetSuite. There are three very great help options. The first one I'd like to show you is the field level help. So when we are hovering over or when we're in any particular task or transaction, if we hover over a field, it comes up with some help for that field. Now, sometimes it can give you help with transactional detail, what you want to do. So select the period to which you want to post this check. If the period is closed, you cannot post to that period. So it gives you a little bit of advice about that field. Because I've selected check as my transaction, if I click on the help option, it brings me to the help section, to the help center, but this time it brings me to the writing checks help screen, and it gives me the option to search for information on how to write a check. This is a great feature. We call this contextual help, and it's a really good option. The next level of help, of course, is here. Up at the top of the Help Center section, you'll find Suite Answers, a plethora of training videos. You can find videos on anything that you want to search for. And whatever help you need, you can go to Suite Answers. Sorry, my computer's a bit slow. And you can search for keywords on various things, and you can have a look. You can see new releases, answers. You can contact the support center to submit a case, etc. I hope this has been useful to you, and thank you.